Hi, in previous video, we created a flight booking page. Now in this video, we'll create a flight confirmation page. We just have to follow two steps. Copy the shortcode from Adivaha plugin and paste it into a new WordPress page. The second step would be to select the newly created page in Adivaha plugin. So for that, I'll simply go to the plugin option, copy the confirmation shortcode and create a new WordPress page. So for that, I'll go to Adivaha offline flight booking. Then over here, we can find the flights confirmation shortcode. So I'll simply copy this shortcode and create a new page. Give it a name. So I'll name it Adivaha flight offline flight confirmation page and mark www to recognize it. I've pasted the shortcode over here and then publish. So the first step is now done. Now the second step would be to select this newly created page, which is Adivaha offline flight confirmation page in the plugin. I'll go to Adivaha offline flight booking, and over here we can find the flight confirmation page. So we need to select the newly created page. It was Adivaha offline flight confirmation page. So this is the page that we created, and then we'll simply click on save now. Now we'll try to book a flight. So visit site, then search for a flight from Chennai to Mumbai. This way you'll get all the inventories, all the live availabilities of flight. Then click on book now. Now let's fill in the details. So I'll put and then it totally depends on you whether you want this as a query. Then you can simply remove this payment gateway stuff, or you can simply add the payment gateway and collect the payment directly into your account and then book the tickets from wherever you are getting the better deal. So I'll fill in the test credit card details, then month. So it's all dummy. This is the email of the customer who will receive the confirmation email from your side. So it's info@adivaha.com. Okay, I agree. Now, as stated in the previous video, in the final booking page, it will now totally depend on your business strategy. Whether you would like to add the payment gateway and collect the payment directly into your account, or let customers inquire about this particular flight. You'll receive an email with the customer details and his requirement, and you can further coordinate with the client and offer them the best deal that you have. So I'll simply click on confirm booking, and you'll receive an email with the customer's information and his her requirement. Okay, done. Now instead of PNR, it will be a kind of booking reference number, so that he can coordinate with you using this number. So this is it in this video. So far we have managed to create hotel the search box, then flight results, then the booking and the confirmation page. uh, Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates about modules and shortcodes. Thanks for watching.